Good morning and welcome to class today. Today we're looking at this question. A man is 40 years older than his son. The sum of their ages is 80. How old will the son be in 20 years? Now, we don't know the son's age. We don't know the man's age. But we are required to state how old the son will be in 20 years' time. Where do we start from? We don't know the father's age, we don't know the son's age. But there are determinants, there are things that help you to find other things in this question. Let's go. A man is 40 years older than the son. We now know that the difference of their ages is 40. But when you add their ages together, it gives you 80. Good. So we can decide to make it high, the way some people will solve it. X and y, x plus y is equal to 80, x minus y is equal to 40. But that will stress our cute little minds. This channel is a channel that makes everything easy. So let's solve this in a way that is going to be very easy. Whenever you see a question like this, try to point out something that is a link. Now they told us that a man is 40 years older than his son. That we know. And they're asking us how old the son will be in 20 years' time. So everything boils down to the son. Everything surrounds the son. So let us start with the son. Son equal to x. Like I always say to people, whatever you don't know, call it x. We don't know it, but we're going to know it soon enough. So when we don't know it, we call it x. So the son's age is x. The father's age is 40 years older than the son. So the father is 40 years older than the son. And when we want to get the father's age, based on the son that we already have, we say the son plus 40. Now we know that the son is x. So the father's age is going to be x, which is the son, plus 40. Now that we have assigned something to the son and also assigned something to the father, I think it makes it very easy for us at this point. So let's go. We know that if you add the father's and the son's age, it gives us 80. And let us do that. The son's age plus the father's age, x plus 40, gives us 80. The son's age, which is x, plus the father's age, which is x plus 40, gives us 80. I think from here we can solve it. So let's go. X plus x plus 40 equals 80. X plus x in algebra, x plus x gives us 2x. So 2x plus 40 is equal to 80. We have to collect like terms. So this 40 will move over to this side to join 80. And because this 40 has a positive sign, when it crosses the equal sign, it turns to negative. So 2x is equal to 80 minus 40. 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 2x. We need to take this 2 away from this side to go and meet 40 because we are collecting like terms, numbers on one side, alphabets on one side. So this x, the 2 that is here, has multiplication sign. So when it crosses the equal sign, it changes to the opposite, which is division. So 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 divided by 2, which is equal to 20. So the son's age is equal to 20. But that is not the question we'll be asked. What is the question? How old will the son be in 20 years' time? So now, the son is equal to 20 years. In 20 years' time, the son will be 20 plus 20, which is 40 years. Did you get that? We'll solve more later. Thank you very much.